So let's say you're trying to get your vocals to sit right in the mix, but you keep running into that problem where you listen in the car and they sound too quiet. You listen on the laptop or earbuds and they sound too loud. Here's the solution, and it's actually quick and easy. Here's how you're gonna get them right every time. We're gonna take advantage of these squiggly lines. This is the equal loudness contour, and basically what this says is we can hear mid-range frequencies much clearer at lower volumes. What we don't hear well are the lows and highs, which is perfect for vocals. We need them to cut through the mids. So step one, we wanna mix vocals at quiet levels. You're gonna turn your speakers or headphones down. I'm gonna do it for us for the sake of this video. So I'll start by bringing my vocals into the mix, and I want them sitting relatively close to everything else. They shouldn't be dominating all the other instruments, and they shouldn't be buried where I can't hear the lyrics. I know this seems kind of ridiculous. It's too easy, but check this out, it actually works. All right, so this would be too quiet still. I feel like I hear everything else above the vocal. All right, I like this level because I could hear the vocal, the instruments, everything kind of clear. I'm gonna bring the volume up a lot now, so be careful. It's gonna get much louder. 3, 2, 1. Okay, but you're still skeptical. Let's try it again on a different one. Okay, so now I want you to open up an old project that has vocals and go try this. It's going to work. So hit the thumbs up on the video now because you're probably not coming back to see me again. And for those of you wondering, like, what's up with the title? I thought you pinky promised Owen you would never share this. That's a true story. I did. But Moose bit my pinky off this weekend, so I guess the deal is off.